how to set up noise smartwatch for the first time using your mobile phone. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe so we get more videos like this. I'm Gogi from How To Doer. Today we're gonna talk about this noise color fit twist go watch, that how you can easily set up this for the first time. First of all, you have to download the NoiseFit app into your Android mobile phone. You can download it on your Apple phone too, and after that the process will be always same for all the noise smart watches. So what do you have to do? You have to set up your account first of all in the NoiseFit app. After installing this app, as you can check out in front of this, it will ask you about the email address and then your mobile number. You have to enter the email address and enter the OTP that you get on your email address on mobile phone, the same process, and after that your account is ready. Now what we have to do, the thing is that after setting up your account, it will start searching for the watch in front of you. As you can check out, it's showing the watch, but if you don't found that, you can open the watch and you will find a QR code on this smart watch, and you have to scan that clicking on this app's scan option over here, and you have to scan that QR code, and after scanning this QR code, it will start automatically connecting to your mobile phone. So that's the process how you can set up, but how you can change the face or how you can change the time and everything I can show you in the video this after this information. Hope you like this video about this watch. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.